Hey, welcome back. What are today's messages? Let's take some quotes out of here. Presence is swimming in all the uncomfortableness and not trying to find a way out. Lori Ladd. Be the person who cares. Be the person who makes an effort, who loves without hesitation. Be the person who makes people feel seen. There's nothing stronger than someone who continues to stay soft in a world that hasn't always been kind to them. Every saint has a past, and every sinner has a future. Oscar Wilde. Be silent if you don't know the full story. Let people do what they want to do, so you see what they'd rather do. That'll answer all the questions you have. A lot of problems would disappear if we talked to each other instead of about each other. Do you agree? Progress over perfection. The last one today. Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.